And whenever a Blizzard employee gives their stamp of approval to a comment that vilifies me as a person, it enables that behavior. And it's not your personal account when you're verified because you work at Blizzard. It is absolutely disgusting. And the entitlement that people think that they can say that negative shit about me and I have to sit there and take it, suck a fucking dick. Enabling that behavior. Well, people try to bring this into my real life. I talk about the game. I talk about things that I don't like about the game. You make it personal. It's disgusting.